Hello everyone, this is Jim Pope with Worldwide Auctioneers. I want to make sure that you make it to our next auction. It's going to be April 25th and 26th. One car I want you to really pay attention to is one that's selling on Saturday. This is a 1958 Impala. It is a 348 tri-power car, meaning 3 carburetors. It has power steering and power brakes. And a great thing about this car, according to the trim tag, it was born black. So black car, when it was fully restored, retained its black. It's just an incredible, all the bright work, all the chrome, all the headlights, all the trim, the glass, just an incredible opportunity to buy a car of this quality that is a 348 tri-power car. As you look closer inside, you'll see the condition of the interior is in excellent shape. The dash, the carpet, all completely redone. Really great thing that this particular consignor did. It also has a tilt steering that was added in restoration. So an amazing opportunity to buy a car. The top is new, it's a hearts cloth top, an upgrade of course. Again, when you have the opportunity to buy a 58 Impala convertible, tri-power, steering and power brakes, in an automatic with tilt, it's just an amazing opportunity to be able to buy one of the best you can find anywhere, including the fender skirts that you see if you scroll down, and also the Continental kit. So make sure you come to Auburn, Indiana, April 25th, 26th. Don't miss this car or any of our fine cars that we have at Worldwide Auctioneers. See you there.